It's a proud moment for our institute, Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology, NERIST, under Ministry of Education, Government of India. And our union government has emphasis for using science and technology awareness, knowledge, research to take it to the benefit of common people. So in that context, initiative taken by Unnat Bharat Abhiyan under the academic leadership of Professor Pradeep Limpha and his complete team deserves congratulations. I understand that for any country to become independently, very strong and powerful, it is very essential that we manage our education, energy, environment, management properly, and only then we can make our country prosper. And you know that globally, India having diverse resources, not only in terms of population, but our natural resources has been a very important focus for global scenario. And all the so-called developed countries are looking at India, how it is growing, how economy is growing. So in that context, initiative taken by our Unnat Bharat Abhiyan team of NERIST, our institute is regional coordinator for the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, and large number of institutions of the region are associated with it. So this initiative, biodiesel fuel, and now a live demonstration on the this biofuelled vehicle today is a new step in the history. And I firmly believe that our research scholars, the faculty colleagues, and anybody who is concerned with the green fuel, green environment, and using resources for the development of the nation will get encouraged, and it is going to be a long-term achievement in days to come in terms of benefit, taking our science and technology knowledge to the common people. You must note that Government of India has a program under NEC and Ministry of Donor, that is Steiner, Science Technology Intervention for Northeast Region. And this is one of the live example and model which has come up at NERIST. So I take this privilege to congratulate the whole team, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, under the academic leadership of Professor Pradeep Limpha and Department of Mechanical Engineering, and all our officers and the other faculty colleagues who have been part either fully or partially to bring this approach viable, which we are witnessing today. Thank you.
Actually, today we all know there is a problem of fuel crisis and environmental pollutions. So in this regard, this Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering, we have developed a diesel fuel which is from the Nahar oil. This is in our campus. We have so many Nahar trees, so that is called Biofuelled available there, and also the waste cooking oil which is available in our hostel and nearby residences and all, because these things, especially waste cooking oil, and this if it's thrown in the river or stream, so it is create pollutions. So in this regard, to take care of the environmental pollutions and also fuel crisis, we have developed a biodiesel which is from this waste cooking oil and Biofuelled. So it is in the directions of Atmanirbhar Bharat, vocal for locals, making of our own fuels, making our own diesel fuels. And because this will not only create employment generation, especially in rural areas. So that is why the attempt has been made here, and we have tested, run on this diesel fuel, diesel vehicle made from our vegetable oil, and this will be the demonstrating, and it will create mostly awareness in the campus and around, so that our students, research scholars, they can take up more. Especially in the northeastern state, we have a lot of non-edible oil-bearing trees are there, which are having high potential to make it as a fuel which can run in the diesel engine and the compression ignition engines. So Actually, this is the attempt where we all are, government of India also giving stress on the biofuel areas, the ethanol of 20% blend, biodiesel of 5% blend. But what we have here is a 20% blend, especially from the two fuel. One is from the waste cooking oil and another is from the Mesiophyra oil. So we have done all the physiochemical property testing has been done at Tezpur University, and all other property are more or less close to that of the diesel fuels. The most advantageous is that the emission reductions. The emission reductions and performance is more close to that of the diesel fuels. So that is why it will help in and around the campus and the institute as a whole, and especially in the concept of lab to the land and waste to the well concept. Thank you very much.